If weight loss is your goal, there are healthy and not so healthy ways to do it. The most important part of your diet should be staying nourished, and these healthy breakfast foods for weight loss can help you do just that while meeting your health goals. What makes a breakfast good for weight loss? Breakfast is a really important meal. It might just be the most important one of the day. It can help increase your levels of energy and focus, decrease your appetite and hunger, and level out your blood sugar. It might even help with your appetite and weight loss if that's your goal. First, it should be made up of foods you enjoy. Second, it should have a balance of protein, healthy fat, and complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, or legumes. This combination of nutrients can help you feel more satisfied and help you feel more full throughout the day. This is a non-exhaustive list of some nutritious breakfast options that could help support your weight loss efforts. 1. Raspberries. 1 cup of raspberries offers 8 grams of fiber, the same amount that's in a cup of beans. Eating more fiber is a good way to feel more full and encourage weight loss. Some research even suggests that increasing your fiber intake by 8 grams per 1,000 calories could lead to over 4 pounds of weight loss over time. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a heavy hitter when it comes to fiber, and the specific type of fiber in oats called beta-glucan is responsible for a lot of its benefits. Beta-glucan is a type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like consistency in our gut, which helps slow down and regulate how quickly foods move through our digestive tracts. Research has found that beta-glucan led to reduced weight in those who enjoyed oats regularly. Beyond promoting weight loss, oats can help stabilize blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and improve gut health. 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is full of protein and gut-healthy probiotics, making it a great option for a healthy breakfast. In fact, a report in the New England Journal of Medicine listed yogurt as one of its top 5 foods for weight loss. Plus, it's super versatile. Blend it into smoothies, enjoy it as a parfait, or add it into oatmeal and baked goods for extra creaminess. 4. Peanut butter. All nuts are a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and peanuts and peanut butter are no exception. 2 tablespoons delivers 7 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber. Enjoy it at breakfast on toast, in smoothies, or with fruit. 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most inexpensive protein options at the grocery store, especially when you consider the per serving cost. 1 large egg has around 6 grams of protein, and it has tons of healthy fat that give it ample staying power. One study found that those who ate eggs for breakfast felt more full and lost more than twice as much weight as those who ate the same amount of calories from a bagel for breakfast. Be sure to eat the yolks when you eat an egg. It has almost half of the protein and all of the micronutrients. All of the foods on this list are super nutritious breakfast options, whether or not you're trying to lose weight. The best way to enjoy the most important meal of the day is make sure you have a source of protein, healthy fat, and complex carbs. Remember that eating well means not skipping your breakfast. Thanks for watching.